G'day, this is Sydney Options Trader doing a small tutorial on how to use the Fibonacci drawing tool on TOS for the halfway back trading method. You'll note here that if we go up into drawings and you go down to Fibonacci retracements and press on that, we're not utilizing any of the other Fibonacci applications. So to use that drawing tool, you simply press on a low, move to the high and press again on the left click, and you'll see all these retracement levels that come up. Now we're going to edit those for our benefit in the edit properties. We're going to hide some of these that we do not use. We're going to change the color on the 0 to blue, on the 23.6 to yellow, on the 0.5 to green, leave the 618 at red, change the 1 to blue. Going to change the style here on the 0 and also the 1, and most importantly we are going to change that 23.6 to a negative. Now after we've done all that, we simply save as default, press OK, and our Fibonacci retracement and negative 23% profit target has changed to what we want to use. Now to delete that, we simply press right click and we can press delete drawing or delete all drawings. We'll focus in here and press at the low. Now to get very precise, you can press on the candlestick and then have a look up the top at the low, which is 104.5. Get as close as we can to that. Move to the high, get as close as we can to 1266.5. Left click again, and now we have our negative 23% target, our 50% retracement, and our 61.8% failure line. Hope you enjoyed this content. You can get me on sydneyoptionstrader@gmail.com if you've got any further questions. Look forward to chatting with you.